1Search Plus is the easiest and recommended way to find information. After identifying your vehicle, the product automatically places you into 1Search Plus, which includes the following options. Choose any item directly from the Top 10 list feature. These 4 columns display the most popular repairs and lookups by existing users for this particular vehicle. Quick links provide fast access to some of the most commonly looked up information in the product, including common specifications and exclusive content like aftermarket tire pressure monitoring system part numbers and reset procedures. Using Search, you can enter a specific code, component, or symptom. Using Search to locate specific DTC information, we'll look up a P0356. As we start to type, a list of matching options is displayed to choose from, minimizing user typing and spelling effort. Select a search term and the program performs the search and displays results. Search results are returned on the left-hand side and related results on the right-hand side. Let's select P0356 from the left side search results. 1Search Plus returns information in a graphical card format. Each card is labeled with the specific data set it contains. The cards are ordered according to technician's diagnostic workflow, and the cards are only returned if there is relevant information for that search term. The card set contains a mix of real-world and OEM information for the specific year, make, model, and search term, all accessible with the click of a mouse. The source of the content is indicated in the lower right corner of each card: OEM info or Suretrack real world. Let's begin our diagnosis by clicking on the Tsb card. The program lists out TSBs by category, and you can see that all of the TSBs related to P0356 are automatically returned to you. Real Fixes is the next card. The program contains over 30 million real fixes based on real aftermarket repair orders. You can see that we have a high fixed it count for replacing the ignition coil related to this code. If I click on that real fix, you'll see that we provide you with a silver bullet diagnostic fix to match what we're seeing in the real world. Top Repairs is another good card to look at when you are planning out your diagnostic strategy. You can look at what mileage the code typically occurs and what component gets replaced at that mileage reading. Causes and Fixes shows how multiple codes can affect your diagnosis. In this case, the program shows you the different combinations of codes you might see and what components that particular set relates to. Now that we have a good idea that we want to test the ignition coils, we can use the guided component test card to look up information on how to test those components. Let's say that we determine our ignition coil is faulty. We need to replace it. The Remove Replace card will have information from the OEM on how to carry out that procedure. As you navigate deeper into the Remove and Replace card, notice the breadcrumb trail across the top that you can use to navigate backwards within the card without having to close the card. We've separated out the after repair information, so a procedure like clearing codes or recalibration will be contained in the after repair info card. Finally, when you click the parts and labor card, the program jumps you to the estimate guide with ignition coil as the search term. You can just click on the engine performance category to open labor time information for replacing that ignition coil.